Your GC3 panel shows an alert saying console tamper. This is usually a result of the panel not sitting properly on the backplate. We're going to start by removing the screw at the bottom of the panel. Use your small to medium-sized Phillips head screwdriver to remove the screw located below the panel. Once the screw has been removed, we're going to pry from the bottom upwards until the cover pops off. Realign the top edge of the panel, making sure it sits flush, and then push evenly on the bottom corners till it clicks. Use the screwdriver once again to re-screw in the screw located at the bottom of the panel.